So we're on our way to Jack's Ridge. This is the entrance. And then we're done Wave the Cross at the Shrine Hills. So yeah, this is the view. I like this. So relaxing. Init na siya, pero dili pa siya anak kaigang so far. Because it's too early pa. What time is it? It's 7:39 on my clock. So yeah, this is it. This is Jack's Ridge. And I'm with Joy of the Jungle. Bagay na bagay siya dito. Kasi it looks like a jungle. Wow. Sarap ng hangin dito. Lahat na lang gusto niya mag-picture. Ay, naku. Hoy, kanino trapot sa ako picture da. Wow, nakikita ko na yung cities. I told you, I think it's closed. So this is it, Pansit. Dining with a view. Malibil doon siya breakfast ako adre. Thank you, sis. Ako aman ang dessert. Mine ang dessert. So iyaha ang ganda dito. Sobra. Ganda dito, guys. Dining with a view. So this is the entrance of Jack's Ridge. Oh, see, I think they're closed. Parang kita rin ang adre assist on.